So I'm sitting here and I'm waiting for my friend. And look. Can you see him? He's coming. He's coming. He's on his way. Come on, boo-boo. Hey, sugar. How you doing? How you doing, sugar? Hey, I've got some nuts for you. Check it out. How you doing today? You all right? I didn't forget you today. I'm on my way to the dentist, so I can't have any nuts with you. Yeah, I might have been biting on a nut when I broke that tooth. So you make sure you take care of your teeth, okay? Because you need them. You need those teeth. Yes, you do. You thought I wasn't coming back. I told you I'd be back, and I told you I'd bring nuts. I come bearing gifts. Told y'all my friend would come. Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna ask him if he's a boy or a girl today. I don't want to be offensive or nothing, you know. His tail real bushy. Look like a girl. But, you know, people get sensitive and shit. I'm going to have fun with my friend. Holla.